Hey, so my name's Anayo Onyi. I'm out of Tyler, Texas. I represent Stonewater Roofing. This is my real introduction, I guess, to the solar realm. Very impressed with everything that SVG has to offer as far as the information, and then obviously they're partnering with Titan. As far as the equipment and installation. Everybody I've met here seems really knowledgeable. I can tell that they, Farhad, and Bruce, they pay a lot of attention to detail, which is important to me because, when you're stepping into a new market and a new, product, you want to be sure that you're dealing with somebody that knows what they're talking about and is taking the time to invest in the product knowledge and customer service, etc. So very impressed with everything that we've learned this weekend, and we're excited, and we're ready to take on this next project.